What is up, guys? It is currently Thursday night. Gumball officially starts tomorrow, and the Four Seasons right now is absolutely shut down. Let's go check it out. So we're at the Four Seasons right now. It is Thursday, not even Gumball yet, and we got Damon out there and Dave. We got their SVJ over there, a couple Huracans. That is clean 570. Bentley. This crazy Aventador. Hot pink. Absolutely nuts. 720 lurking over there, but holy shit. Not even Gumball yet. Here's the infamous Gintani SVJ. I think this color has Novatech wheels on it. Alright, so just left the Four Seasons. We'll come back later tonight when more cars pull up, but it's been crazy so far. Damon, Dave pulled up. I'll catch you guys in just a bit. What is going on, guys? Justin here, and today we are currently headed to Gumball 3000 here in Toronto, and it is going to be an epic day. I was already down this morning, which I'm going to play footage of right after this, but we're about to head back down there because we just had lunch, and we're going to see Shmee, Damon, Dave, JWW, everybody's cars, everything lined up along the grid. It's going to be insane. So without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. Not even at Gumball yet, and we got an Aventador. So we just got down here, first few cars on the grid. We got Denmouse's 720, we got this crazy Tech Art, and of course we got Shmee's GT500. And the POG 812. But as you can hear, there's some Aventador revving up there, so we're about to head up. So as you guys can see, we got the Four Seasons right there where everyone's staying, and they shut down the entire street. All for Gumball. Very nice spec 812. Of course, DDE's car. Aston TRX Turbo. We got the August Motorcar 765.
I wish whoever was riding the head to finch.
I just noticed this GT3's got the wing delete. So if you can see, it's just not a touring, it's a regular GT3.
Okay, so I'm gonna.
But you can see the slots right there where the wing goes. Very cool.
What if I
actually really like this look, along with the Tech Art. Got this white Mercy, but it's actually just the SV kit, not an SV. He put the stickers on himself.